Hello everyone, myself Akash Golapalli. My student ID is BP0318702. My project, titled as Digital Transformation of Legacy Retail System to Improve Omnichannel Integration and Supply Chain Agility at Marks& and Spencer. My presentation looks at how Marks& and Spencer can modernize its legacy system, use automation and AI more efficiently, and build a connected digital ecosystem. The goal is to improve company efficiency, reduce risk, and stay connection in the long term. This slide, titled as Introduction. The retail sector has undergone a profound shift over the past decades. Digitalization is no longer a supportive function. It is a backbone of competitive advantage. As Hinok and Unka highlights, strategic integration is now a defining factor in organization efficiency and competitiveness. For Marks and Spencer, this is particularly important. The organization has made significant investments in automation, digital tools, and customer-facing technologies. However, these investments has not yet translated into fully integrated operations. The annual report emphasizes that while capital investments has increased, governance constraints and fragmented system continues to limit the realization of enterprise-wide values. This slide, titled as Industry and Competitive Environment. The competitive landscape in retail has changed dramatically. Technology-driven change is now the norm, and omnichannel ecosystem are central to performance leadership. Let's consider a few examples. First one, Amazon has built a fully integrated ecosystem where customer data, logistics, and inventory systems to operate in real time. Second one, Jara uses integrated digital system to update inventory and it takes production decisions within an hour. Third one, Next has invented highly in synchronized online and offline operations, giving a strong competitive edge. Meanwhile, Marks and Spencer has invested £340 million in automation, a significant step forward, but integration across the legacy system remains limited. This creates several challenges. First one, data warehouse that takes slow decision making. Second one, inconsistent customer experience across channels. Third one, reduced supply chain visibility. Fourth one, difficulty in scaling digital initiatives. Fifth one, fragmented reporting and forecasting. In a market where speed, accuracy, and personalization define success, these gaps weaken Marks and Spencer competitive position. This slide, titled as Defining the Strategic Risk. The biggest strategic risk identified in the project is the failure to integrate system. The main reason for this failure is lack of connections between digital components leads to leakage in returns on innovation. This means that even when organizations invest highly in technology, they fail to capture the full values if system remains fragmented. For Marks and Spencer, this risk manifests in several ways. First one, data protection vulnerabilities due to inconsistent security protocol. Second one, weak stakeholder integration, especially across supply chain partners. Third one, inaccurate sustainability reporting, which affects ESG credibility. Fourth one, operational inefficiencies, such as duplicate processes and manual workarounds. Fifth one, reduce agility, especially during supply chain delays. In today's environment, where geopolitical uncertainty, rising prices, and supply chain shocks are common, integration is not just a technical issue, it's a strategic necessary for resilience and long term competitiveness. This slide, titled as The Aim and Objectives. The overachieving aim of the project is to deliver a fully integrated digital architecture within a 24 months period, enabling Marks and Spencer to operate as a truly omnichannel retailer with a more nimble, responsive, and data driven supply chain. The aim is not simply about upgrading technology, it is about transforming the organization digital backbone so that every channel, every system, and every stakeholder operates in a synchronized, intelligent, and efficient ecosystem. To achieve this, the project is guided by a set of smart objectives. They are: first one, implementing an end-to-end enterprise data architecture. Second one, strengthening ESG aligned governance. Third one, improving automation accuracy and innovative visibility. Fourth one, enhancing customer personalization through AIs. Fifth one, embedding sustainability indicators into digital KPIs. These objectives ensure that transformation is measurable, accountable, and aligned with Marks and Spencer long-term strategy. This slide, titled as Research Foundation. This project is built entirely on secondary research, and it was important to approach this in a structured, academically rigorous way to ensure that the findings and recommendations are both credible and relevant to Marks and Spencer strategic context. To begin with, the research drew from four major categories of secondary data, each offering a different type of insight. First one, corporate reports. Second one, academic literature. Third one, industry case studies. Fourth one, technology vendor insights. As Tyan notes, secondary analysis improves validity when sources are credible and diverse. Some of the limitations include: first one, no primary interviews. Second one, limited access to internal operational data. Third one, reliance on public available information. However, these recommendations remains robust and evidence-based, supported by the executive level insights. This slide, titled as Innovation Structures and Leadership. Marks and Spencer is redesigning its ecosystem using digital business model innovation principles. This approach emphasizes integrated architecture as a driver of value creation at scales. Leadership plays a critical role here. The PMBOK and AI governance models provide a structured framework for execution discipline, risk management, ESG alignment, stakeholder engagement. The governance models like PMBOK ensures consistency and repeatability, essential for large-scale digital transformation. However, Marks and Spencer must strengthen cross-functional leadership to ensure digital initiatives are not isolated within a ITR operations. This slide, titled as Insight on the Automation of Performance. Automation is one of the Marks and Spencer strongest area of progress. Robotics and automated distribution systems are improving efficiency, safety, and inventory accuracy. However, operational intelligence remains partly isolated. TGWGroups.com notes that synchronization across channels is still slow. This means, first one, automation data is not fully integrated into enterprise system. Second one, forecasting accuracy is limited. Third one, real-time visibility is inconsistent. To unlock full values, Marks and Spencer must integrate automation outputs into unified data architecture. This slide, titled as Artificial Intelligence Implementation. Artificial intelligence is a major opportunity for Marks and Spencer. Azure Machine Learning is already enhancing customer personalization. However, AI adoption requires behavior change management, strong governance, clear ethical guidelines, and workforce upskilling. There is also some risks. They are cloudless implementation challenges, data privacy concerns, algorithm bias, integration complexity. AI can transfer Marks and Spencer customer experience, but only with disciplined governance and cultural readiness. This slide, titled as Risk and Change Management, Digital Transformation, especially at the scale Marks and Spencer is pursuing, introduces a series of material organizational risks. These risks are not isolated technical issues. They are strategic, operational, financial, and cultural challenges that can significantly impact the success of the transformation if not managed proactively. Digital transformation introduced several material risks. They are first one, cybersecurity threats, second one, cost overruns, third one, project delays, fourth one, workforce resistance. Effective change management is essential. Innovation must be structured to ensure sustainability and staff engagement. For Marks and Spencer, this means clear communication, training and upskilling, cross-functional collaborations, and incentives aligned with digital goals. Without strong change management, even the best technology will fail to deliver values. This slide, titled as Recommendation, three particular high impact recommendations will deliver both short term gains and structural change. First one, establish a central digital governance office. This office will coordinate digital initiatives, ensure accountabilities, standard governance, and align digital and ESG goals. Second one, implement a single end-to-end enterprise data architecture. This will integrate legacy system, improve forecasting accuracy, enhance traceability, support omnichannel synchronization. Third one, add circular sustainable indicators to automation KPIs. This ensures automation supports environmental responsibilities, resource efficiency, and ESG reporting accuracy. These recommendations will convert current technology investments into measurable operational, financial, and ESG returns. This slide, titled as Conclusion. As we come to the conclusion of this presentation, the strategic issue facing by Marks and Spencer is not lack of investment, it is lack of integration. Over the past several years, Marks and Spencer has invested heavily in automation, digital tools, AI capabilities, and supply chain modernization. These investments demonstrate the commitment, ambition, and forward thinking leadership. However, investment alone does not create a competitive advantage. What creates the advantage is ability to integrate these investments into unified, consistent, and strategically aligned digital ecosystem. And also, digital maturity requires strong governance, unified architecture, sustainable adoption, and cross-functional leadership. By implementing these recommendations presented today, Marks and Spencer can enhance omnichannel performance, strengthen supply chain agility, and increase long-term shareholder value. This is final slide of my presentation. It is titled as Reference List. In this presentation, I used different reliable sources to support my research. This reference helped me to build the overall analysis in this study. Thank you for watching.